In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset a WordPress website in one click. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. WP Reset is a free plugin for WordPress CMS you can use to reset your website by deleting all posts, users, pages, comments, media entries, custom post types, and default WordPress data tables. To use this powerful plugin, just go to the WordPress plugins directory and then simply search for WP Reset. Next, just install it and activate it to start using it. Find the plugin in the Tools section of WordPress and just start resetting your site. Select the reactivation options from the plugins UI and then type Reset in the box and hit the Reset button. Based on the data on your website, it will take some time to reset your website. When it is done, you can see all the posts, comments, pages are deleted and all the plugins are deactivated. That's it. This is how you can easily reset a WordPress website in one click. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe us for more.